Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today we will learn about narrative text. Do you know what is the narrative text? Narrative text is a text to entertain the readers or the audience by sharing experience or imagination and providing employment as well as a mic with the story. Okay, next we will explain about generic structure of narrative text. Generic structure of narrative text, they have four. The first is orientation, and then complication, resolution, and reorientation. The first is reorientation. Reorientation contains introduction, the character, place, and time and atmosphere. And the next is complication. Complication is the part of the story that presents conflict, which includes the rising action where the problem begins to appear, and then the climax at the peak of the problem, and then the falling action when the problem starts to decrease, leading into the resolution. Next is resolution. Resolution is the ending of the story, which may be happy, sad, or unresolved. The last is reorientation. Reorientation is the closing part that may give a conclusion or moral lesson, but this part is optional in a narrative text. So in this part itu boleh ada, boleh enggak, jadi opsional. Selanjutnya itu narrative text itu memiliki language features. In a narrative text there are four language features. The first is use past tense. Bab 2 contohnya like when, saw, live. And then the next is use time connectivities, like once upon a time, then finally. And then the next use action verbs. The example is run, walk, help. And then the last is use adjectives. Adjectives example like beautiful, kind, or scary. Jadi di naratif teks itu kita menggunakan past tense atau masa lampau. Kemudian kita juga menggunakan use time connectivities kayak pada suatu hari, pada zaman dahulu. Kemudian kita juga menggunakan action verbs, kata kerja kayak berlari, menolong. Kemudian terakhir kita menggunakan kata sifat seperti cantik, baik, atau menyeramkan. Okay, the last is conclusion. Conclusion, a narrative text is a story written to entertain readers, and common type is fairy tale. It usually follows a structure that includes orientation, complication, and resolution. The complication contains the conflict which rises to the climax before moving toward the resolution. Language featuresnya of narrative text often include the use past tense, action verb, time, connectivities, adjectives, and direct speech. By learning narrative text, students can improve their understanding of story element, enrich their vocabulary, and practice creative as well as critical thinking. That's all from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.